Here's an interesting app called Repost Plus for Instagram. So let's just tap get and double click to install. Pretty popular app, Repost for Instagram, Repost stories, reels, and posts. Sometimes it's a really big issue how to nicely repost stories and posts in Instagram. With this app, it's just much easier. Save posts, schedule posts, AI hashtag generator. So it's not only about reposting. It's a nice app altogether. Repost photos and videos, repost posts with multiple photos, videos, hashtags generator, and you can just open it up. Here is the app. And then here you can start free trial, then $3 per week, not per month. So per month it will be like $12. So not that cheap app. And then let's just see if there is at least some free version. Nope. All right, so how to repost posts. Find a post in your feed, click on the paper plane icon, the 3 button, click on a copy link, come back to this app. So that's how you can try to do it. So yep, that's the idea.